welcome to a new video on Bamboo Homestead. So this week we did most of our potato harvest. Wasn't that big because we couldn't really water it that often, and we only got some rain today. Oh my god, in like 10 months we had like little sprinkles and stuff. Today wasn't still much more, but it was for maybe 4 hours or something, a little bit more than sprinkling. Didn't fill up the tanks or anything, but it still gave the garden a good water which it needed. Yeah, so the potatoes suffered a bit in our garden bed. It's always a dry garden bed. We have to water it more often than others as well, so they suffered a bit because of that. But still, you know, maybe 4 kilos, 3-4 kilos still. And then we're also eating our faces off with white chateau mulberries. They're so yummy and sweet. We also got the black mulberries, the normal ones. And then also this week I've done a little garden bed, and I'll just show you how I replanted and redress the little garden beds in front of the house. I still haven't actually done the second one, which I wanted to, but yeah. Yeah, enjoy the video. So here's my little bucket of compost. At first I thought we don't have any compost, but actually it's not too bad. I put too much brown in with leaves and stuff, and not enough water. I think I should have watered it a bit more, but in the bottom it's still good. Yeah, so here I already cut out the big snow pea vine is over there. So we cut that out already. I cut it off with the scissors so I don't disturb the soil too much. Pulled all of the weeds out. That's going to be mulch. If they have seeds, you shouldn't put them as mulch, because otherwise the weeds grow again. But we take that away to the side so we can put the compost on top of the garden bed. So put that to the side. And there you can see some more weeds growing. But we're just gonna pop the compost over the top of all this. Carrots. Let's get that. Just do eens leren. Oops. Just do eens leren, Kaya. Just do. And these garden beds, you have to water them quite often. They dry out quite a lot, so that's why I sort of prefer to do it in the ground, really. But these are nice and close to the house, so it's not too bad. I can water it with the kiddie pool from over there, just by hand. Yeah, so we're gonna spread it over everywhere. And then usually it's really good to mulch the compost, so all the nutrients stay in and not get baked by the sun. Now I'm going to pop a few things in. Here I actually dug a hole before, so I'm going to put the tomato in there. Wo ist der Tomato? Da. Und jetzt ruhig geben und ein schönes Loch filmen. Ich sehe jetzt, was ich da mache, und schön ruhig geben, genau, und dann kommt das gut. So, gut. Hast du mal drauf gehabt, richtig ist, oder? Yeah. There's the tomato planted nice and deep, so it can make roots all the way to the stem up there. I usually take those 2 first leaves off, just so I can make roots everywhere. And then we got some cucumber seeds. We're always collecting seeds from last year. Sometimes it doesn't work when you don't leave the cucumbers long enough on the vine. They really have to be dead to be viable after. But they should work, hopefully. I must have planted some before. They stick a little bit on the thing, but you can just plant them with the paper and it's like compost on it anyway. Holes with a bamboo stick. Nice and deep, so hopefully the rats are not going to dig them all out. And then we pop 1 or 2 seeds in there. That was 2. pretty deep and put the compost back on top. Oh, there is another tomato. Oops. That's how careful I am with my seedlings. Oopsie daisy. But it's pretty hardy, the tomato, so I'm just gonna pop them over here and I'm gonna plant them in there. Yeah, let's fill up the whole garden bed, maybe with, yeah, maybe I plant 10 seeds or something and I can feed them out later. So I made all those holes and now I'll put some mulch over the top again. Here's the tomato and the rest is just seeds. These I actually wanted to pull out. There, I've got one more. I usually cut it out, but doesn't matter. And sometimes I just chuck it on top, and this is mulch as well. Should dry and yeah, act as mulch. And actually last time I emptied my vacuum cleaner in here as well. Some veggies like the dust of the vacuum as well. It turns into, yeah, compost I guess, yeah. Now we're going to do the same with this garden bed. Cut all the things out that I don't want anymore. I want some seeds from the coriander. But the rest, yeah, it's already pretty well mulched, so I can just put it to the side and do the same with the compost and chuck some more seeds in. Toby, dat is fruit! Hast du Freude? Im Garten spielen? De Holzstückchen. So here are our potatoes and they look a bit sad. So we think they're ready, but they might not be as good because we didn't really water it as much because our pump didn't work. We got some in here already. These ones we got in a pot from the top. So they're quite little still, but a lot actually. That's from one pot, which is cool. So we might try next year again because yeah, it's just easier to actually dig them out than in the ground. Oh, it's gevonden!
Yeah.
Look how excited he is.
Already.
He's so excited, eh?
See? Good. Hey. Good.
Was machst du, Jovin? Jovin, was machst du? Was machst du? Hä?
Mulch off the car, I can collect. Oh, look, there's a red one.
See one here.
You need to get a fork and turn it over as well, I think. Look how hard it is. That's not water, it's like
Yay!
stone. Yeah, there'll be a few, but... What is that?
Sag mal, Karl, was hast du in der Hand?
Stuffy potatoes on the red one.
Sag mal, Kamera. Hey, und einen roten, so cool. Und dort sieht es aus wie ein Rüebli.
Ja.
Ja.
We're gonna have so many potatoes.
You look like a monkey, Maxi.
I am,
I am monkey.
pretty much.
Where is my food?
It's not really...
It's fine, Jovin. Hey?
Everywhere.
On here.
So fine.
There's on this one.
I don't know, mate.
Eating mulberries under the mulberry tree. That's a few more. Mulberry. Yummy.
Plus, my potato ferret's always
The ferret.
come to make sure I don't stab my potato ferret.
What are potato ferret?
That's what you are. You're a little potato ferret. In there getting my potatoes for me when I dig them up.
Kan jag öppna hammar?
Stop really. You're not counting, Mommy.
Här snetsigt.
Well, it has too many.
So fillet. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next week or in 2 weeks time for another video. I wish you a good time until then. Have a good one. Bye.